Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Instagram couldn't add template something went wrong in your Android. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your Instagram couldn't add templates something went wrong, then I'll show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you just need to open your Instagram app, then tap on your Instagram profile icon, tap on these three horizontal lines, then tap on setting and privacy. Scroll down. You will find here account privacy. Tap on this. If this option is enabled, just disable this option. Tap on switch to public, then go back. Scroll down. Here you will find account types and tools. Tap on this. Then tap on switch to professional account. Tap on continue. Then select as blogger. Tap on done. Then tap on next. Tap on the second option, not now. If you have some of the pending steps, just complete these steps. Then go back. Tap on Play Store. Then search for Instagram. If there is any update for your Instagram app, then update it from here. Then go back. Tap on settings. Tap on apps. Tap on see all apps. Tap on this search button. Then type your Instagram. Tap on Instagram. Once tap on force stop, tap on OK. Here you will find storage and cache. Tap on this. Once tap on clear cache. Then go back. After completion of this, once you have to restart your mobile. After restarting, hope your issue has been resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Instagram couldn't add template something went wrong in your Android. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.